Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share with you an important truth that every person should understand to earn respect and admiration, especially from the opposite gender. During my exploration of human behavior and attraction, I came across a concept that completely shifted my perspective. Picture this. You're sitting in a quiet room, phone in hand, refreshing your messages every few seconds. Each notification brings a glimmer of hope, only to discover that it isn't from the person you're eagerly waiting to hear from. It's a feeling we've all experienced, a mixture of anticipation, frustration, and a bit of heartache. But here's the twist. What if you could flip that feeling around? What if they were the ones anxiously waiting for your text? Imagine leaving a lasting impression so powerful that your absence lingers in their mind, making them miss you more with every passing moment. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 actionable strategies rooted in psychology that will help you not just make someone miss you, but genuinely crave your presence. These principles aren't about manipulation. They're about understanding human behavior and forming deeper connections that go beyond surface-level interactions. Rule 1. Don't always be available. It may seem counterintuitive, but one of the most effective ways to make someone miss you is by not always being at their beck and call. If you're always replying within minutes or constantly checking in, you're setting the bar too low. People start taking your presence for granted. When you're always there, they have no reason to miss you. Think about it. Imagine eating the same meal every day. Eventually, it gets boring. The same applies to your presence. Absence truly makes the heart grow fonder. The key is balance. Be there when it matters, but also create space for them to wonder what you're up to. When you make yourself less available, you add an air of mystery, showing them that you have a fulfilling life outside of your interactions. This makes them naturally think about where they fit into that life. Rule 2. Spark curiosity. While jealousy can sometimes play a role, the key isn't about playing games or trying to make someone insecure. Instead, it's about subtly demonstrating that you have an engaging social life. Share moments of the exciting things you're doing, whether it's hanging out with friends, attending social events, or diving into a personal hobby. But don't overshare or brag. Let them see that you're someone others want to be around, making you appear desirable. When they notice you enjoying life, it triggers curiosity and interest, and they'll start wondering if they're missing out on something. This can lead to longing. But remember, authenticity is crucial. Faking it or being overly dramatic will not work. The goal isn't to make them feel guilty, but to remind them that you're someone with value who can't be taken for granted. Rule 3. Resist attention traps. We've all been there. Getting a vague hey or a single emoji and feeling the urge to reply immediately. But here's the thing. If you're always the first to respond, it sends the message that you're constantly waiting for their attention, which isn't attractive. Instead, take your time. Let your response time reflect your priorities, not just their desire for attention. By making them wait, you show that you have a life outside of your phone. This subtle shift in behavior encourages them to appreciate your time and energy more. The more you make them wait, the more they'll miss you and wonder why you're not instantly available. Rule 4. Highlight your independence. When you show that you're thriving and independent, it creates a powerful attraction. People are naturally drawn to those who have a fulfilling life beyond romantic relationships. Someone who is passionate, driven, and self-sufficient. While it's easy to get caught up in the dynamics of a relationship, don't forget that your individuality is what truly makes you magnetic. Whether it's a hobby, career, or personal goal, make sure you're nurturing these aspects of your life. Share glimpses of your passions, not in a boastful way, but in a way that shows you're complete on your own. When they see you living a fulfilling life without them, they'll start to miss your energy. The paradox is the more you focus on building your own life, the more attractive you become. Rule 5. Create a sense of mystery. Curiosity is one of the strongest emotions people experience, and we are naturally drawn to things we don't fully understand. So, avoid revealing everything about yourself right away. Instead, maintain an air of mystery. This doesn't mean being secretive or playing games. It's about not oversharing too soon. For example, if someone asks about your day, instead of sharing every detail, you could simply say, "It was an interesting day. I'll tell you more later." By leaving them wanting more, you create a space where they continue thinking about you long after the conversation ends. This unpredictability will keep them intrigued and eager to know more, ensuring they come back for more. The key is to remain elusive, not distant, allowing them to discover new things about you gradually, keeping the dynamic fresh and exciting. Rule 6. Leave them wanting more. Think back to a time when you had a really great conversation or experience with someone. Chances are, you didn't want it to end, right? That's the feeling you want to create every time you interact with someone. To make them miss you, end conversations on a high note. If the conversation is enjoyable and engaging, don't let it fizzle out. Wrap things up with a positive, upbeat comment or a playful tease like, "I'll save the rest for next time." Leaving them wanting more sparks anticipation, which makes them miss you even more. By leaving things open-ended, you create something for them to look forward to, becoming a source of excitement and joy in their life. And that's exactly what will keep them coming back for more. Rule 7. Radiate charisma and confidence. Confidence is magnetic. When you carry yourself with self-assurance and a positive attitude, people are naturally drawn to you. It's not about being arrogant. It's about embracing who you are and owning your strengths. Charisma involves making others feel seen, heard, and valued. When you engage with someone with genuine interest and warmth, they associate those positive feelings with you. People don't forget how you make them feel, and if you make them feel good, they'll miss that feeling when you're not around. Charisma can also be expressed through body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile often. These small yet powerful gestures convey confidence without saying a word. The more positive energy you radiate, the more likely others will crave your presence and miss you when you're not there. These strategies are grounded in psychology and are not about manipulation. They're about fostering genuine connections and making your presence unforgettable. When you start living with purpose, showing your worth, and engaging meaningfully with others, they'll naturally begin to miss you and crave your presence. Remember, the key to making someone miss you isn't about playing games. It's about being your best self and creating the space for them to realize just how incredible you truly are. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Philosophy of Stoicism for more practical, relatable advice on navigating love and relationships. Relationships take time, care, and effort, but the rewards are worth it. When fear and caution are met with understanding and patience, they transform into trust and connection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.